Hey, what's up, RealtyPath agents? I'm sure a lot of you have been getting confused with the changes with the RELMS system and the Utah ID system. So I've created this short little video tutorial for you guys to try to give some clarity. So first off, you should be seeing my screen, and each of you should have received this message in an email from realestate@utah.gov. And it says important information about your real estate license and new online system. RELMS is no longer the system where you can check your verification of your status of your license, nor your classes you've taken. So you will need to set up a new account if you haven't already done so. So first, check this email. It was sent on January 6th or roughly around that time frame. And if you come down, there's the first step, which is creating a Utah ID. Now, there's two things here. One is if you've already created a Utah ID, you don't necessarily have to create a new one unless your email with your with the division is different than that with the Utah ID system. So they will talk to each other, just like we saw with SkySlope and with RealtyPath. If you have the same email for signing for both companies, they will be able to talk to each other. So same thing here. So for instance, if you use John Smith at Gmail, and that's with the division, and then with the Utah ID, use John Smith there as well, they will be able to communicate. So that's why the very first bullet point you see here, it's crucial that you use the same email address, the Utah ID account, as you file with the real estate license. So make sure you are using the same account. That's step one. Otherwise, you're going to run into multiple problems. So the second step is actually going through the process and creating the account. If you already have your account, again, you don't need to create a new one if the emails do match up. Okay? So the process for going through this, I won't be able to show you the steps, but it's pretty simple. They ask for the email, the name. You'll create an account. It'll send you a verification code to your email. You'll take that verification code and you'll place it into that code verification, and then you will have an account created. Then the next step is where you'll be able to see accesses and everything else. So you're going to log in to the Utah ID website, and it just shows that you're signing in. So once you are signed in to Utah ID, then you will go to this new account. So this website right here is what replaces the RELMS account. So first off, you want to take this and you want to copy this, open up a new tab, you're going to place this in here, and then you will click enter. Once you do that though, right here in this corner, I want you guys to focus right here. I want you guys to click the star button. If you're using Chrome or any other bookmark, you want to bookmark this and you put it into whatever division or folder you want it to be. But I'm going to just I'll put Utah license management system. Okay, so now I've got that saved, so I don't have to worry about where do I find, that website again. It's kind of an obscure website, but you'll see I'm signed in because I'm already signed into my Utah ID. You can see I'm automatically signed in to the account once I click on the website. Then I will scroll down and I can see my licenses. So you can see I have a few different ones, and you may have different licenses for other entities. Maybe you're a plumber, maybe other entities as well. Those will all populate in the same location if you use one account. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my name here. And once you click on your name, you'll be able to see the classes you've taken. You can see your expiration date, status, your license number. Here's hours required is 18, hours taken 44, and then it'll just say what the category was of the classes you took. As you can see, I mainly took core classes, and then you can come down and see the different categories and hours taken in total. So that's where you can be able to look at your dashboard. Now, that's going to show you, if you saw, I clicked right on this name right here, but if you click on the 3 dots, it will give you additional items that you can do. You can do name or address change request, print license copy, view pending changes, view receipt, view license activity. Now, as an agent, you will be able to see a change affiliation as well. And so that is your program. Now, if you log in here and you don't see your license, you can come down here where it says don't see your license, click here to search for the item. You can type in your license number, and then you'll click email code. It'll give you that code, and then you can register that in and move forward. So that is a basic introduction to the new system. Again, you will first log into your Utah ID, then you will click on the website and that will give you access. So referencing back to this email, you do have the realestate@utah.gov. If you have questions or you're having issues, do not hesitate to email them with any of those questions if you're having any technical issues. But if you follow these instructions, they are pretty clear. If you follow these, you shouldn't be having any problems. If you do, reach out and they will be able to provide you additional assistance. So hopefully you guys found that very helpful in getting you guys back on track with the transition from RELMS to the new management system. And thanks for being part of Realty Path.